Welcome to another episode of Astral Water Repairs. Can you dig it? Yeah, we can dig it. Oh yeah, guys and girls can dig it. Alright, check it out. I like cars like this. We got a 97 Nissan pickup SE. Customer's complaint is the check engine light is on. Now here in North Carolina, well actually parts of North Carolina, which I don't understand, and might be where you are, if the check engine light is on, you cannot get it registered. It's a really dumb law. It's a money maker. That's all I see it as. But you can't get it registered. So we have to fix it. So I have no idea what we're going to be looking into, but let's grab our Actron, get right to it, and pull up the codes, see what's going on. Alright? We'll be right back. Alright, here we go. Inside the pickup. Stick shift, huh? Okay. Hook up our Actron up under the left side of the steering column. Let's get it plugged up. Alright. Let's get inside here. And let's put our key in the on position. Alright, let's see what we got here. Let's go. Two ways we can do this now. When you got a scan like this, two ways you can do this. You can either go global or we can go under vehicle specific. So right now let's try global, see what we got. Okay, scroll down to diagnostic codes, read codes. Now it's trying different protocols to communicate with the computer. It's like trying to find the right phone number. Okay, you found it. Alright, not all supported. Okay. Enter. We got three codes. P0110, idle air temperature sensor circuit malfunction. P0440, evap control system malfunction. And P0705, transmission range sensor circuit malfunction. Circuit malfunction. Now what I'm going to find, I wonder if all of them has to share the same kind of wiring all. And you know, to separate this, because this video is going to be really difficult to I like to put out specific information for when people look up for specific code. So what we're going to do here, guys and girls, is we're going to have three separate videos. So for this video, let's start off with the first one. P0110, idle air temperature circuit malfunction. Alright, first of all, let's go find out if it's connected. Alright, so we're gonna shut this key off. You know, and actually, you know, I might be doing this wrong. Because, well, let's check it anyway. Let's pull this off, pull this cover off. Alright, let's set this camera up over here. It's kind of windy out here. Supposed to have a big storm. Alright, let's take this off. Air filter look kind of dirty. Alright, now air temperature sensor. Intake air temperature. Did I say idle air temperature? If I did, scratch that. Intake air temperature sensor. That's a little sensor right there. Alright, what we're going to do is let's pick this thing up right here. Set it down. And let's pull this up. Alright, there's some holes over there. But already I'm looking at it. Look at it. I wonder if this is this is like it was taped up, don't it? Huh. You know what? Let me get some pliers and pull that back and pull this cleaner up. Air cleaner up. Be right back. Alright. Got it turned over. And you can see what I got here. There's some really, I don't know, it's got a lot of wiring over here. Let's pull all this tape off of here. See what we got. Huh. Look at that. Pull this off completely. Look at that. There's a problem right there. First of all, I mean, it is still making a connection right here. But look at the terminal. Look how deep back it is. So we need a new pigtail over here. So that's it for that problem. I'll be right back. All right. Even though we see the problem here, I'm gonna show you a little something, give you a little more insight of how me and Sylvia work together. For one, like if I'm outside and I gotta do tests on a sensor, let's say this code, and what if that plug was good? She'll give me, you might well call it like a diagnostic tree of tests to follow, and that way my hands are free. I don't gotta read nothing or go anything like that. Like for instance, I'm gonna show you right now. Now Sylvia's pulled up the code on this, and she got a test for it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the test. All right. You see, I got my radio here, channel 21. That's my number, 21. All right. You ready? All right, I'm ready.
Okay. Number one is check power supply. Turn ignition. Excuse me. Turn ignition off. And then disconnect the intake air temperature sensor harness connector. Then turn the ignition on.
Okay, hold on. As you can see, so now what I'm gonna do, shut the key off. I think the key is already off, but now I'm gonna turn it on. This battery, the battery is weak. How was it test things, man? How people call me when, I don't understand. Look at this, man. It was just someone. How do people call me when they're, how do you want me to diagnose if you got a dead battery? This is bull. I guess we could forget about those other codes. All right, forget it. We know the terminal is bad. We're gonna go with that. They should have told us the battery was dead. The battery had a little juice to pull the codes, and that's it. Now the battery's dead.
So how was he trying to get this thing inspected?
I don't know. I think we work miracles or something. But I'm putting it back together. We got to get a pigtail connector, a new pigtail connector for the intake air temperature sensor, and then we can check out the other codes. I can't do nothing with this battery. I'll let her know.
Okie dokie.
All right, there you have it. We cut this off. It'd been nice. I would like to show you guys, but it's a good thing we did. At least we know this connector is messed up, and it looks like like a different color. You know, maybe they take. I don't know what happened, but that's all messed up. We gotta get a new connector for that. All right, we'll be right back. All right, I spoke to the customer. They gotta get this battery charged and all that because we can't check out much of anything. But we know this is bad. If your connector is good, put the key on this light colored wire. Plus a blue line up here. There should be 5 volts at that pin, at that connector. All right, check that. If you got the 5 volts there, and this one's, I think the other one was ground from the computer or something, then more than likely you got a bad sensor. But that's our problem with this. And also the neutral switch on the side of the transmission, and P0440 evap small leak. We got those smoke tests. But those codes we're gonna handle at a later time. All right, we'll be right back. All right, there you have it. Sorry the video couldn't be more informative like I would want it to be in detail. Right, quick diagnosing. A good thing is always look at the connectors and the pins, because if I would have bypassed that, I'd have been like, well, actually I would have seen it. I'm Astro. All right, any questions, put them in the comment or email me at tim@astroautorepairs.com. Appreciate all the subscribers, all the positive feedback we've been getting. For our new subscribers, this is what we do. This channel is pretty much a family-orientated channel. We don't allow anybody name calling and all that. Let them do it at other channels. We're not going to have that here. So if anybody comes in and want to criticize somebody, call them names out of their names and all that, we ban them instantly. We don't even give a warning or anything. Because again, we're a family-orientated channel. We want all of us to get along. We want you to be part of our family, and we want us to be a part of your family. All right? I said that quick. Yeah. This is Timmy from Astro Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. Y'all take it easy. I'm gonna button this up.